Hi friends, happy to see you all. It's now lesson number 122. The topic is colors, signs related to colors. You all know that it's a very special festival today. It's called Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. There are different signs for colors. Today we are going to be covering different aspects of colors. We had learned signs for colors in our previous lessons. Now in this lesson, we will see and understand the different terms associated with colors and what we get by mixing colors. Primary colors. What does that mean? They are the basic colors. They are red, yellow, another sign of yellow is this, and blue. There's another sign for blue. These are called primary colors. If you mix these three primary colors, you get what is called secondary colors. For example, if you mix yellow and blue, then you get green. Similarly, when you mix blue and red, the color that you get is purple. The next example is if you mix red and yellow, you get orange. On the color wheel, when we see, we can understand the colors that are opposite. They go well as color schemes. These are the colors that are called as complementary colors. For example, yellow and purple, blue and orange, red and green. The primary colors, blue, red, yellow, when they are mixed with secondary colors, then we get what we call tertiary colors. For example, red and violet give pink, the sign for lips. And then blue, when mixed with violet, give indigo. That's a different kind of blue, right? And when blue is mixed with green, gives us aqua. Another combination is yellow and green. There are also warm colors and cool colors. Warm colors are orange, red and yellow. Cool colors are blue, green and purple. There are so many colors and so much to do with colors. It's so happy to talk about colors. Dark colors, light colors, different shades of colors. When you see colors, you feel so happy, and also everything comes to life with colors. You feel so good about it, isn't it? You see colors everywhere. You see colors in a rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Vibgyor, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. A rainbow is very beautiful. You get so inspired to look at a rainbow. Today is the festival of Holi. Holi is the festival of colors, festival of love. It is a joyous occasion. It is a festival that signifies the triumph of good over evil. This is a festival that brings out so many colors and love everywhere. People go out to visit friends and they have a joyous time playing and showering love and meeting friends. They play with water mixed with colors and smear colors, powders, and also play with water balloons and enjoy themselves a lot. It's all to do with colors. They also share sweets with friends and relatives. It's a time of unity and joy. Wish you all a very special Holi. So now we have seen and learned a lot about colors and how they make our lives so beautiful and healthy. So it is our responsibility to take care of our earth. Thank you. Bye bye.